Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now let's solve the total area of this shape together, right? Of this plane shape. That shape is made up of two plane shapes. We have a rectangle and we have a semicircle, right? The dimension of the rectangle is this. Let me draw the rectangle we have. This is the rectangle we have, and it is 50 meter by 20 meters. And then we have a semicircle, right? So the semicircle is this. The radius of the semicircle is given to be 40 meters. All right, so it means from here to here is the radius, and it's given to be 14 meters. All right, so if you want to find the total area of the shape, you find the area of a rectangle plus the area of a semicircle. Now, what's the area of a rectangle? Let's start with area of a rectangle is length times breadth. And then from the dimension we have 50 meters by 20 meters. The area of the rectangle is 1000 meters square. Now let's find the area of the semicircle. Area of a semicircle now. Area of a semicircle, right, so is half the area of a circle. The area of a circle is pi r square. A semicircle is half of a circle, and that is 1 over pi r square. Right, so know that our pi is a constant, 22 over 7, so we have 1 over 2 multiplied by 22 over 7. The radius is 14. The radius of the semicircle is 14, and that is 14 square means 14 times 14. Okay, so by the time we divide 7 divide 14 2, these two divide these two, so this gives 22 times 14, that is 308 meters square. That's the area of the semicircle. Now the area of this shape, as I've said before, is the sum of the area of the rectangle and the area of the semicircle. So total area now, total area of the shape is equals to the area of the rectangle plus the area of the semicircle. All right, so what's the area of the rectangle? We got 1000 meters square. The area of the semicircle, we got 308 meters square. Now by the time we add the two together, the area of the shape is 1308 meters square. That is the area of the shape. Right, so let's try something very similar. All right, so let's find the total area of this shape. We have a rectangle and we have a semicircle. So let's find the total area. Okay, find the total area of this shape. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.